Flag hunters. Lyrics jump from the verses to the refrain, kind of like a subroutine call. There's a hidden refrain this program doesn't print by default. Can you get it to print? There might be something in it for you. All right, we can download the program's source code. And let's see, the program can easily get in undefined states. Don't be shy about Control-C. Unsanitized user input's always good, right? And is there any syntax that's right for subversion? Let's see what we got going on here. All right, so we're going to open up this source code in Notepad++. And we're importing regular expressions and time. Here's the flag in the secret intro. The song is the secret intro plus this refrain. Crowd return verse 1, refrain. Refrain. Okay. So here's this reader. It reads in the lines. It keeps track of where the start is. So there's some sort of start label, which is verse 1. So this could be assigned to the variable start. There's refrain, then there's return. Okay, so it looks like we have one return, one refrain. Okay. And then the start will be here at verse 1. All right, so we've set these variables. We now are going to loop through the lines, I guess. For line in song lip split semicolon. That's weird. So we're splitting on semicolon. There are only semicolons at the end of things. But so if we have nothing, we do a continue. If it's refrain, we set the line. Oh, I see, we set refrain return. So we set this to be return with the next line. So we're going to change that line to say like return 57 or whatever the next line number is. Otherwise, if we match crowd, we input, and then we change the line to be crowd colon plus whatever. So this crowd will become lowercase crowd colon whatever they type. Okay. If we have a return, then we go to whatever that line number is. We have an end, and then we just print out normal lines. Okay, so basically, I guess what happens is when we get to the refrain, so we do the verse, we hit the refrain, which is going to jump up here. This return will be to the next line, and then it'll keep printing. Okay. So, I don't know, let's watch this thing happen. Where'd my netcat go? So here's my netcat. Try that again. Should we copy it? Copy. Come back here to there. All right, so it prints out the things. All right, so there's our refrain, and then it's crowd colon hello verse. Our refrain, crowd colon hello. Okay. So we get to basically change that one line. That's fine. And then so we also have this, it'll split on a semicolon. So if we change it to crowd colon whatever semicolon, return, let me return to like line 0, 1, 2, 3. That should give us the flag. All right, so let's try that out. So we're gonna do this again. So say like crowd semicolon return 3. Oh, right, yeah. So it split it up. The return should have been all caps, right? So semicolon return 3. Oh, yeah, all right. So I put a space before the return, so I didn't want that space. So we're going to try that again. So crowd, it really doesn't matter what I type, semicolon return 3. And there we go. Ether's ours to conquer, pico CTF, and there is our flag.